Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to stand and cycle using an easy method. First, anticipate when you'll need to stand, like on an incline or to relieve pressure. Shift your gears to a slightly harder one, perhaps 1 or 2 clicks up, before you rise. This helps maintain momentum and prevents your legs from spinning out too quickly. Keep your core engaged and your gaze forward for balance. Once standing, focus on your body position. Bend your elbows and knees slightly. This acts as natural suspension, absorbing bumps and maintaining comfort. Your hips should remain directly over the bottom bracket, which is the center of your pedal rotation. This ensures efficient power transfer. Keep a light grip on the handlebars, using them for steering and stability, not for pulling yourself up. Step inside the Ford Explorer and discover a cabin designed for comfort and convenience. It offers flexible seating for 6 or 7 passengers, with available second-row captain's chairs. Cargo capacity is generous, ranging from 16.3 cubic feet behind the third row to an expansive 85.8 cubic feet with both rear rows folded. Enjoy modern technology like a large 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and available wireless charging, keeping everyone connected and comfortable. Knowing when to stand is key. Use this technique for short, steep climbs, to accelerate, or simply to give your glutes a break. Start practicing on gentle inclines for 10 to 20 seconds at a time. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the duration and tackle steeper hills. Consistent practice will build confidence and make standing while cycling feel natural and effortless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.